tonight it's on the wall. Let's first look at all the rates Tuesday morning, and it's a full house of green. The breadth, I think, is absolutely impeccable. I think impeccable is the word. 1:14 advanced decline ratio. You see that in a very rara kind of a bull market. The bank Nifty, will it make a comeback, or will it be back to again, a good start and then a slow stop? Some of the heavyweights, Infosys, Wipro, TCS, they are off to a good start. Dollar index is weak. Is that strength in commodity? So I will not be surprised if ferrous, and especially the global ferrous companies like Tata Steel, JSW Steel, they could be in for a good comeback. JSPL also could be a decent one to watch out for because they've reduced their debt. Now let's look at the real patronized trader stocks. Suzlon, JP, Vodafone. What's the pattern there? Suzlon, JP, Vodafone. Suzlon 41.5. It come down to sub 10 rupees. JP Associates 19 rupees. And then Idea Vodafone hit a fresh 52-week high, I think earlier this week or last week. Now it is at 14. So it's just been a full all-round performance, at least for the market in terms of the opening first rates. A lot of green on the screen, I think, is visible.
Yeah, a lot of green, and that is visible in the advanced decline ratio. But leading from the front is the real estate pack, not just Suntech Realty, which was actually in initiation. Look at a Mahindra Lifespace. That stock is higher by 5%. Oberoi, which is making its foray into Gurugram, as well as announced one new project, a luxury project in Thane, is also seeing a positive reaction. As we talked about, the dollar sitting at 2-month low, there is a positive momentum in metals. So whether it's a Hindalco, a Hindustan Copper, a SAIL, all of these stocks are doing well. And in fact, metal is one of your top gainers in terms of the sectors as well. IT, PSU banks, energy, these are some of the sectors which are leading from the front. In stock-specific action, you have Latent View, which is up around 3.5%, KEC on account of that order win, and ditto can be said for other companies as well, which have backed some orders. Electra Green Tech is higher by 3%. JBM Auto, another EV, commercial vehicle plays higher by 3%. So a couple of these names deserve mention. And then Tata Invest, that continues to run quite a bit. It's 3% higher, and we were highlighting how this entire holding companies are coming back in focus, and seems like there is no discount as far as this holding company is concerned as well. On the losing side, Coal India, ONGC, a couple of these PSU energy plays. KPIT Tech is also softening a bit, so we are seeing a bit of a negative reaction. And Nykaa, Kalyan Jewellers, Max Health, these are some of your other losers, but it's more green than red, Awad.
It is. The breadth is skewed in favor of the gaining side, as you can see, quite firmly. And while those movers that you mentioned on the downside, that is made up by the likes of a Mishra Dhatu or a Welspun Corp, a Solar Industries, or even a KEC International for that matter. Time to find out what our chartists are looking at when it comes to the screen. And 19,750 being conquered. Kunal, what do you make of the initial ticks, and what would be your first trade?
I think it's a good start. We've managed to surpass the last, 1 day of swing high, at least on the Nifty. So we'll wait out for more follow through on the upside. IndusInd Bank is something which I'd be bullish on. I think yesterday the stock closed at 1500 odd levels, which is also closer to the previous swing highs, as well as completing a bullish pattern on the daily charts.
All right, there you have it. And Naresh, let's get in your first trade.
So that would be a buy on Bharti Airtel, a new all-time high here. Looks momentum is set towards the 1,020 mark.